Hey everybody, haven't showed Piglet off in a while, so here he is. We're just hanging out, and today we're talking about grass snatching, but not for pigs, but for horses. So I got a text message yesterday where somebody from my Live and Ride with Confidence group, which is my free Facebook group, checked in with me and said, you know, my horse is constantly eating grass in the outdoor arena and my trainer says I should be riding in the indoor arena. And to me, this was such a typical response in the normal horse world. Let's not fix the problem, let's just ignore it and set it up so that we don't have the problem. But in the end, that is really not doing us any good, because here are two reasons why your horse snatches grass. First of all, your horse has not learned to yield to a feel, which in my opinion is a rideability issue. If your horse pushes into the pressure of the halter or the bit, then your horse has not learned to yield to a feel. And guess what? In my world, your horse isn't rideable. I know, that's hard to hear, but here's the thing. If you have something, a bigger problem than snatching grass, and your horse pushes into pressure and doesn't care what you say, you shouldn't be on the horse. It is just setting you and your horse up for scary experiences, for arguments, and also for potential accidents. Because guess what? Your one rein stop will also not work if your horse pushes into pressure. So instead of going into the indoor arena to fix this issue of your horse pushing into pressure. Hi, Jackie. And guess what? It's totally normal for horses to push into pressure because that's what their DNA tells them to do. When the mountain lion jumps on the horse's back, the horse will round his or her back and try to push the mountain lion off. That's why if horses have not learned yet to be tied, they will pull back and potentially break their neck versus making 2 steps forwards to release the pressure. So you need to help your horse learn to follow a feel. And the way you do that is that you never apply more feel than 100 grams or 3 ounces. And you support with rhythmic motion. I do not believe in applying more and more pressure because that is dominant, and no horse follows the dominant stallion, but all horses follow the lead mare. So here we need to apply female leadership principles. Second, if you say let's not eat but walk and your horse says let's stop and eat, then this is a leadership problem and your horse has not accepted you as the lead yet. Both of those issues, the following a feel, not yet, the horse accepting you as the lead, not yet, have to be fixed on the ground. It's very, very important. And the Happy Horse Inventory is your first step towards that. So if you don't have my Safe, Secure, and Confident workbook yet, totally free, no strings attached, pop a yes in the comment section and I'll send that to you via Messenger. If you're not a friend of mine yet, then make sure that you look in the other folder because I will not show up in your regular Messenger folder. But it's worth it. This workbook is packed with valuable information and to get you started to become the lead in your herd of 2, and you help your horse to be mentally, emotionally, and physically balanced, which is the basis for your horse to follow a feel. So I hope this was valuable education and information and inspiration for you. And if you haven't met me yet, I am Petra. I'm the creator and founder of Genuine Connections Horsemanship and the free group Live and Ride with Confidence, Genuinely Connected. And my passion is to help female horse lovers just like you to create a peaceful and joyful relationship with your horse through female leadership principles and interconnection. And the fact that love, peace, and understanding is something that we humans want and our horses too. So be blessed as always with lots of love, because love makes everything better, including our horsemanship. And if you would like to have my Safe, Secure, and Confident workbook, totally free, I think it's about 24 pages or something like that. Maybe a little bit less. Let's say around 20 pages. Then just pop a yes in the comment section. I will send that to you via Messenger. Have a great day. Bye-bye.